It's a giant LOL ball unpacking. Time to open it up. Peel off the safety tape. And say hello to the giant baby.
Wow! Hi, I'm Glammy.
Come here. Wow, what a cutie. Glammy is totally rich. Just look at all her jewelry. A shiny C-top? That skirt is amazing.
And here is my bestie. Hi, I'm Penny.
What's the plan for today? Well, that was yesterday's plan. Today is pool day.
Yay, we're going swimming. Let's run. This is so awesome.
Want to float?
Ah, someone is splashing.
It's the mermaids.
Wow, Glammy, look! I want a tail too! Give this video a thumbs up if you want us to become mermaids too!
Ready for a makeover?
Oh, yeah.
Pick a color. Green is perfect. Wrap the legs. Pinch the fabric in the middle. Attach a tail. Add rhinestones. Totally fabulous!
Wow, so fancy! Thank you! I'm off to swim!
Now Penny's turn.
I want to be the prettiest mermaid.
Deal. Use things from around the house. Some plastic wrap around her legs. Cover with paper tape. Great job! Pick a color.
Red.
Paint the surface. Make a smooth fade.
That tickles. I love it.
Now clear tape on top. A rainbow tail.
Now we're real mermaids. Glammy, look! Penny, let's have some fun. It feels so nice in the pool. I love the water. Phew, I'm a little tired.
Time to relax by the pool edge.
Lalalu, we want to take pictures with our tails.
Gonna need phones for that. Grab some paper. Place a template. Trace the shape. Draw colorful stripes. Now a zip bag. Pour in some glue. And a bit of black paint. Mix it really well. Use double-sided tape. Now remove the top layer. Stick on the screen. Add a frame. Cut it out carefully. Sprinkle with glitter. It turned into a fabulous smartphone. Wow, look at that screen. You can draw on it. So cool. Can I try? No, make one yourself, broke Lalalu. Here you go. Prepare the base. Use colored pencils. Pick a shade. Color the paper. Use a ballpoint pen. Draw the phone body. What cute buttons. Attach the front and back pieces. Take some clear tape. Stick it over the top. Fill it with stuffing. Wow, so squishy. Made with love from Lalalu. Here you go, girls. Look at this awesome squishy. I will make a call now.
Hello? Hello?
Glammy, what do you think of this screen?
Yes? Who's calling me?
Time to take some selfies. What fun poses.
Make sure my tail is showing. Yay, yay!
Here's your photo, sweetie.
It turned out so cute. Where's mine?
Here you go.
Just perfect.
Oops, looks like your tails are dry now.
I want to go back in the water. This day is better than the pool. The sun is right in my eyes. Lalalu, help.
Take a plastic folder. Draw a pattern. Cut it out with scissors. Make crisscross cuts. Now you have holes and an elastic band. Gently pull it through. Tie a knot. You did great! Decorate with rhinestones. Total glam! Now for an easier version. Take a sheet of paper. Cut out the visor. Get an elastic band ready. Just glue it on. Use pictures from a magazine. Super cute! Now back to the girls. Glammy, do you like it?
It's just right. The sun is not in my way at all.
Nice.
And you have a visor too? Awesome.
Big smiles! Aw, you look so cute!
Where did Glammy go? Hands up! Pew pew! Huh? Lalaloop! Pew pew pew! I need something to defend myself.
I have an idea. Cut up some drinking straws. Use double-sided tape. Stick little pieces onto a ribbon. Peel off the backing. Whoop! Carefully roll it into a tube. Well done! Take a plastic bottle. Ask an adult to cut it. You got a round ring. Place the honeycomb straw roll inside. Cool! Attach it to a stick. Your mega bubble blower is ready!
How do I use it?
Dip it into soapy water. And blow out bubbles.
Wow! What is that? Take this! Ah! Bubbly back!
Looks like the girls are tired now.
Laloo, our hairstyles got messy.
Gotta fix that. Draw a shape. Cut it with scissors. The base for the clip is ready. Add a drop of glue. Press the little teeth together. Attach a seashell. Make it look full and round. Pearl powder time. Just a tiny bit on your finger. Rub it on the surface. Add some rhinestones. It looks so beautiful. And another idea. Draw a shell on cardboard. Great job! Color it with markers. Cut it out. Attach an elastic band. It looks super cute. Which ones do you like more? Hey Penny, you go first. Style your hair with elastics.
I look like a sea princess.
Brush Glammy's hair.
Be gentle.
Okay, sweetie. Do you like the clip?
Totally my style.
Secure it in her hair.
Good. We look so pretty now. Yes.
Oh, what's that?
There's something inside.
Let's take a look. It's a note. Looks like a treasure map.
Treasure? Let's go. Is it this way? Is it the right place?
Check the map.
Aha!
Yay, you found the mermaid surprise ball.
Finally! Water time!
Time to make a floaty. Get a pool noodle. Cut it with a craft knife. 1, 2, 3. Add hot glue. Stick the pieces together. Looking good. Another piece. Cut it across. Glue one on top. A floaty is ready. Add gemstones. More and more. So fancy. Glammy is going to love it. Now something for Penny. Take a long balloon. Blow it up. Whoop! Twist it into a donut. Tie the ends. Add cute decorations. Adorable stickers. Time to float. Girls, over here. Lie down, Glammy.
So fun!
And this is for you, Penny.
I love pool games. Do you? Tell me in the comments. This is so fun. Yes! But now I'm getting hungry.
Time for lunch. Snack time, girls.
Finally, lunch!
What have we got here? Carrots for Penny. Tasty and healthy.
What is that?
Give it a try.
Ew, I don't eat that.
No whining now. Here are your favorite treats. Want a candy?
These are my favorite. Wanna trade? Fine, I'll try your carrot. If you had to eat only one food forever, what would it be? Tell us in the comments. Let's go swimming again.
No, you need to wait after eating.
Then what should we do now?
Got it. Grab a cup. Add glitter. Now some foil. Prepare it. Roll it into a tube. Do it just like this. Shape it into a star. Here are more molds. Put them in a bucket. Some foam paper. Cut a strip. Use hot glue. Add a handle. A royal sand set. Oops, what a mess. Take a popcorn cup. Cut off the extra. Add a handle. A shovel made from a toothbrush. A piece of cardboard. Shape it into a heart. Make more sand shapes. Here you go, girls.
What do we do with these?
I will show you. Press it down. Wow, a heart!
I want to try too. Smush, smush, smush.
And now you're set. Scoop some sand.
Wow, a sea star.
Now it's time to head back to the water.
This is